How to integrate Airtable with Gmail. Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can integrate Airtable with Gmail. Now one thing you must notice that there are different methods of doing this, but the easiest and the quickest method of doing it is by logging in into your Airtable account first of all. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the Airtables page, the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see your account icon. Once you see it in the box displayed, you'll see options, right? Such as accounts, notification preferences, language preferences, contact sales, then integrations. So once you see it, just click on it. Once you click on integrations, you'll see the connect new account option by the top right corner of the box. Then in this box, you see different accounts, right? Such as Adobe Experience, Box, Facebook pages, GitHub, and then Gmail. So just click on Gmail, and then always click on Gmail. A window pop up in the middle of the screen asking you to choose an account to continue to Airtable. So just choose the account and then wait for it to load. Then click on continue. And then once you've done that, you can see this request for access. So I just click on continue, and then just like that, Gmail will be integrated with your Airtable account. It is that simple, very, very simple and direct. Ensure you try it out now. Thanks for watching.